tripod is sick. What's going on, everybody? It's Trent117 back again with another video. I'm a Twitch streamer, I'm a YouTuber, and today, as you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be talking about the gas prices and miles per gallon of my 2020 Dodge Charger. So, two quick things first, guys. One, I really appreciate all the support that you guys have been showing the channel, guys. I got a small bump in subscribers, I'm getting more and more views, and I just want to say thank you guys so much. To show the maximum amount of support for the channel, all I ask, guys, is that you just grab a snack, grab some coffee, grab some water, and just watch the video all the way through. Watch time matters more than views, so I really appreciate if you guys would just watch the thing all the way through. It'll help me get higher on the YouTube algorithm. And also, I'm dropping all of my socials down below in the description, so if you guys could follow my Instagram and follow my Twitch, guys. I live stream about 2 to 3 times a week, try to get on like a 4th or 5th time, but I got a lot of things going on with work and moving into my new apartment. So anyway, guys, I really appreciate the support. And second, a lot of you guys don't know, but I've actually just graduated from college with a music and pre-law degree. So a really exciting part is I'm actually going to be having a fraction of this channel going to be music reactions, and I'm basically just going to be reacting to music and going more in depth on the musical side from what I learned in college at a university. So be on the lookout for those videos, guys. That's going to be super, super fun. Basically, what I want to make this channel is just an all-encompassing 4, 5, even 6 different parts that just make up this YouTube channel. I'm going to start a fitness part of this channel as well, because I do work out like every single day after I get out of work. So anyway, guys, I really appreciate all the support. Please remember, number 1, follow all my socials. Please just watch the thing all the way through. I really, really appreciate it. And let's get this video started. Wow. Alright, y'all, so I usually don't have any type of anxiety, but right now I have a really, really bad anxiety because I'm going the extra mile. It's going to be funny in a minute. I'm going the extra mile for y'all and doing the most because I have about 12 miles left. I hope you guys can see this. I have about 12 miles left before I'm empty. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm pulling up to an HEB, and thank God everywhere I live right now, everything's really close. But I'm going to pull up to an HEB, and I'm basically going to be fully empty, so you guys can see how much it costs to fill up the gas. And basically, I'm going to talk a little bit about the MPGs and the SPGs of this car. So anyway, guys, I'm going to flip the camera over just in case you guys couldn't see that I'm actually at 10 miles. But yeah, anyway, let's keep this rolling. I literally have 10 miles left, and those are my MPGs right now. But anyway. So a lot of people talk about miles per gallon, MPGs, good cars have higher MPGs, you know, anything like that. So anyway, let's get down to the nitty gritty. So when I first bought this car about a month ago, my miles per gallon was absolutely terrible, garbage. I was not speeding, but I was accelerating all the time. So my miles per gallon, honestly, were about 12, 13, maybe 15 on a good day if I was on a highway. And now I'm driving a little smarter. I'm not accelerating all the time, and I'm keeping more of a constant speed. And honestly, being on the highway makes a huge difference for this car because, I mean, since it is a muscle car, it's kind of always just burning lots of gas. So right now, as you guys probably saw from a clip that I put a little bit up earlier in this video, right now I'm at 21.1. So this is pretty average for me. If I'm like a half and half of city and highway driving, I'm usually obviously a little bit more in the city than the highway, and that's where I'm averaging right now, about 20, 21 miles per gallon. Now, if I'm on the highway, usually probably pushing, you know, the speed limit, maybe about 5 over. And on the highway, guys, honestly, I average about 24 to 25. If I'm taking maybe like a 30-minute drive somewhere, or I'm just doing a little bit more highway driving than city driving, yeah, I mean, I can get up to 24, 25, and I mean, I'm not really driving conservative, I guess you could say. I'm accelerating, I'm enjoying my car, I'm still in the honeymoon stage. So, I mean, just to be quite honest, guys, I don't know how people stay in the 15 miles per... I literally just got a spam call in the middle of me recording, and that is so annoying. Anyway, I don't know how people stay in the teens, I guess, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'm not going to count, but yeah, you guys know what I mean. I don't know how people stay in that range, consistently, but basically I've been able to get to 20, 21, even 25, like I said before, when I'm on the highway most of the time. So anyway, guys, I don't know how people get such bad miles per gallon in this car, but basically I've been able to stay pretty consistently in the 20s. So if miles per gallon is holding you guys back from getting this car or even considering it, check my other videos, you know, like when I introduced it, or when I talked about, you know, how to save money and stuff. Guys, like, all in all, I mean, it hasn't been that expensive, I guess, miles per gallon. It's not keeping me back from getting this car, so I didn't run a red light. Anyway, yeah, guys, it's, if you can drive, see, even right now I'm accelerating, I'm still, I mean, I drive this car like I'm having fun, you know what I mean? But if you drive smart, and I guess always 0 to 60 it in, you know, 3 seconds, you guys can stay in the 20s pretty easily with this car. I think only if you drive really, really, like, immaturely, I guess, yeah, you could get in the teens or whatever. But anyway, guys, if you guys are, thank you. If you guys are curious, I mean, no, in the 20s. Alright, so I'm waiting in line at the gas station right now. Basically, what I'm going to just show you guys is I have 10 miles, still 10 miles actually, that's kind of weird. Like I said, everything's close. I'm just going to show you guys how much it costs from basically empty to full. Getting my, is he waiting behind me or is he trying to pull up? Anyway, I'm going to show you guys how much it costs basically from empty all the way to full. I've already talked about miles per gallon a little bit, and then you guys are also going to see you know, how many gallons I guess this car holds, because I'm literally at empty and I'm gonna fill it up all the way, so you guys are just gonna see where we're at. So anyway, guys, if you're curious, whatever it is, you guys are about to find out. I'm gonna be doing about 2, maybe 3 videos today. I got out of work a little bit early, so I'm gonna make it a productive day. So if I'm wearing the same shirt in a couple videos, guys, I shower, I swear to God. All that's happening is I'm just making a couple more videos. So anyway, guys, I'm having tons of fun doing this, guys. So please, if you guys are enjoying it as much as I am, or at least watching these things and hopefully learning some stuff, please drop a like, please subscribe, follow my socials down below. All of that stuff helps. Like I said before, watch time means more than likes and views. So if you guys could just watch all this thing all the way through, maybe learn a couple things in the midst of doing that. Honestly, guys, that just means so much to me. I'm having so much fun doing this, and it's just a small hobby just to keep me busy. Since I graduated school, I'm getting a little bit bored, so I'm doing this just to fill up my time and have some fun and just, you know, live life. So anyway, guys, I really appreciate all the support. I'm going to keep dropping a few thoughts while I'm just waiting for this lady to fill up her tank. And anyway, guys, thank you so much. All right, y'all, so we're back at it. Anyway, get that mid-grade. Don't touch because of COVID. The way that I get this is you pop it. Hold up. Pop it. Flip it. Anyway, put that in there. But it says to not do like auto, like get that little thing and put it on there. So I'm just going to hold it. Anyway, guys, I live in Texas, so gas prices are actually not that bad. If you guys check it out, it's actually 2.1 for mid-grade. Because, you know, I got to put that mid-grade in there. We don't want that, what, basic unlead in there. Nope. Got to treat my baby a little bit. But anyway, guys, so yeah, 2.1 for mid-grade. I think that's pretty sweet. I know some gas prices in what California and all these other places are nuts at like $3 or $4 a gallon. But anyway, we're at 2.1 for mid-grade. As you guys can see where we're at right now, what, $11 so far, maybe a fourth away there. Sheesh. Anyway, y'all, so checking out these sick decals. Yeah, go follow. GG. Just kidding. All right, y'all. Since you were curious, let's see where we're at. So, from, oh my God, the graffiti. Come on, guys. Anyway, from empty to full, 17.3 gallons and $38 to fill up from empty all the way to full. There it is. There's the truth. Couldn't lie. I had, what, 6 miles left by the time I got here because I had to leave HEB because they were out of mid-grade. You know, you guys know I had to treat my baby right. So, anyway, y'all, there's the truth. There it is. Jesus, if you can see past that stupid sketching. Anyway, let's get back to it. All right, let's get this beautiful sound of when I start up my car. Love it. So anyway, guys, I'm not going to milk this video more than it needs to be. I know that's one of the most common questions I get, just gas prices, MPGs. So I told you guys I was going to talk about SPGs. One thing that you guys consider if you're buying this, or, you know, considering buying this car, or interested in it or whatever, the MPGs are obviously not the best. My old Ford Fiesta, you got to like 30, 35 miles per gallon. Like I said, I'm averaging about mid-20s right now if I'm actually on the highway. But what you have to consider are SPGs, some miles per gallon. Guys, the amount of smiles I get from me, just me smiling and other people smiling, driving by, or even just, you know, driving next to the same car and you're like, what's up, brother? Guys, the smiles that you get from this car, priceless. It's priceless. You can't. I love driving. I have fun driving, and I think that's more important than an extra couple bucks at a gas station. So anyway, guys, that's the video. I really appreciate all of you guys watching. Like I said, I have so much fun making these videos. Please like it if you got this far. Please subscribe. That helps so much. Please comment down below any other videos you guys want to see. I already have like 2 or 3 I think I'm making today. And like I said, all socials are going to be down in the description. Please follow. Stay tuned. I'm going to be streaming probably later today. We're going to have some fun. Let's keep it going. Thank you guys so much, and I'll check you guys next time. Just in case you guys were curious, right now I'm at 21 MPGs because I was driving city for a little while. And right now at 20.9, I better get going. That equates to 372 miles from empty to full. So when the tank is full and you're about 20.9, that's 372 miles. So there it is. All right, now that I was talking all smart and trying to give advice, let's do a 40 pull real quick. 3, 2, 1. Yo, all right, guys. Thanks for watching. Take it easy, everybody. Oh.